Hello and welcome to our Phase 3 educational seminar, where you will learn everything about maintenance and how to use your unique macro code to navigate the expansive food environment. Let's get started. Phase 3. This phase will guide and support your long-term health outcomes and help you maintain your new weight. What are your goals for phase 3? Ideal Protein, along with your coach, want to support you to achieve long-term health goals. Our new tools will help you shift your mindset and eating habits, heighten your awareness about food environments, and improve the way you navigate the grocery store. These documents will be your tools. They'll become the foundation to help you find your new normal so that you can achieve the long-term success you're looking for. The first item you'll review is the Phase 3 Reset Possible document. Learn how to shift from a weight loss mindset to a maintainer mindset by redefining your goals based on intrinsic motivation and implement a new why for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Your redefined why may be very different than your weight loss why and will empower you to successfully navigate your ever expanding food environment. There are 5 key success practices to ensure success. We want to make sure you embrace all of these 5 points. First is meal planning for a minimum of 4 to 8 weeks. We need to plan to make sure we're eating within our macro code, and we want to solidify these lifestyle habits. And we need to stick to that macro code while distributing our macros evenly throughout the day and making sure we eat every 4 hours and before hunger sets in. And we need to consume a minimum of 1 quality protein serving at a meal and at least a half of a serving at each snack. And of course, we need to adhere to the daily net carb allowance in your macro code because this will be your anchor for keeping blood sugar and insulin levels stable. And of course, journaling. We must track actual servings of what we put in our mouth. Just because we have a plan doesn't mean we always stick to that plan. To help you follow your unique macro code, these food value categories will be key to navigate an expansive and highly complex food environment. They're classified by their effectiveness in managing hunger, cravings, and stabilizing weight. Let's review each. First, we have the ideal value category, which consists of all the items you've enjoyed so far in your ideal protein journey, both in phase 1 and phase 2. These minimally processed and nutrient-rich foods help you maintain with your daily macro code and follow the Picatinny rule to make menu planning easy. For best results at managing hunger and maintaining weight, go for this category. Then we have the fair value category. This is comprised of a broad range of packaged and processed items that line the shelves in the grocery store. Because the nutritional values may differ significantly from item to item and brand to brand, you should navigate this category carefully and refer to the item's nutritional panel for exact macro values. And then we have the poor value category, consisting of highly processed foods that are calorically dense and nutrient poor. Foods in this category are often high in sugar, which can spike blood sugar and insulin levels, leading to a sugar crash and the quick return of hunger. Because many triggers reside in the poor value category, we need to stop and think if the reward is worth the risk. Yes, the ideal value category will be the group that helps you maintain your new healthier weight by providing foods higher in nutritional value and lower in calories, saturated fats, and carbs. This category will also make menu planning quick and easy and help you remain within your personal daily macro code. The ultimate tool to guide you through any grocery store or market is the macro conversion key, which is used to convert the protein, fat, and net carbs of the fair and poor value items into a macro value. Let's look at an example of a simple conversion. Here we have one pouch, assuming this is a snack item. If we scroll down to the blue protein on the nutritional fact, you'll see that there's 15 grams of protein. And if we look in the middle at the macro conversion key, you'll see that that would be one serving. So down to the bottom right, we'll add that one in the blue protein box for the macro value. Then we're going to look at the total fat. We see 11 grams. We can then scroll and we can see that that is also one serving, and we can add that to the macro value box. And then if we look at the total carbohydrates, we always want to take total carbs and we want to minus the fiber, and we will see that that is 3 net carbs. That is how you will convert any nutritional chart with your macro conversion key. One of the greatest challenges in weight maintenance is navigating a more expansive food environment. To help with this process, we've developed the easy to use guide for your convenience. When pre-planning daily meals, it's important to note that the macro value references for each item provided in this guide are an approximation. And for exact macro values, you should always refer to the item's food label and then use that macro conversion key that we just demonstrated to really determine the exact macro value. Now that you have your macro value reference guide, you'll be able to start using your Ideal Protein Phase 3 menu planner and journal. Yes, it is a planner and a journal. You're going to have the ability to plan your macro target for each meal, and then you can actually journal and recalculate the macro value of that meal. We want to help you stay accountable and on track for the weeks to come. We also added new features to your Phase 3 planner and journal. We now have a hunger and mood connection, daily lifestyle goals, for example, activity, supplement, sleep, and water, and a gratitude stamp, a daily mindfulness activity that helps you set aside a few moments to be grateful for the big and small things and keep you in a healthy mindset. Your support will carry on. As you'll continue to see your coach weekly and then move to your monthly for the following year ahead, this ongoing maintenance coaching will educate you on home environment, habit cycles, and of course, the mind and body connection. Ideal Protein is truly a metabolic transformation. Help us push this food is medicine and weight loss is healthcare movement forward by investing in you and your personal health journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. Let us help you continue to use food as medicine to maintain your new weight.